Before fashion became relaxed, clothing operated like social language. Every fabric communicated status, every detail communicated discipline, and nowhere was this more visible than around the collar. The Ascot shirt emerged from a world where elegance was controlled carefully. Not loud, not excessive, measured, because clothing was never just clothing. The origins of Ascot fashion are closely connected to British aristocratic culture and formal sporting traditions, particularly horse racing events associated with social prestige and elite gatherings. The Ascot tie itself evolved as a softer alternative to rigid neckwear, but it preserved sophistication. This balance became central to the garment's identity, structured enough to appear refined, relaxed enough to appear effortless. The Ascot shirt created a visual contradiction, formal comfort, and psychologically, that contradiction feels powerful. Human perception associates tailored clothing with competence, authority, discipline, social intelligence. But soft neckwear introduces emotional ease into that structure. The result feels less aggressive than strict formalwear, more intellectual, more composed. The garment does not demand attention loudly. It controls attention quietly. This is why Ascot styling became associated with old money aesthetics, literary sophistication, European elegance, timeless masculinity. Historically, formal shirts symbolized separation from physical labor. Clean fabrics suggested protected lifestyles. Delicate tailoring implied social status. Wrinkle-free presentation communicated control. The body became curated carefully. Cinema later amplified these associations dramatically. Characters wearing Ascot-style clothing often appear strategic, wealthy, cultured, emotionally restrained. The visual language suggests internal discipline. Even posture changes around formal garments. Collars influence neck positioning. Tailoring changes body awareness. The wearer becomes more conscious of movement itself. Fashion psychology refers to this as enclothed cognition. The mind adapts to the symbolism of the clothing worn. Formalwear encourages composure, measured gestures, controlled behavior. The Ascot shirt intensifies this effect through softness rather than rigidity. It suggests confidence without urgency, luxury without display. Modern fashion repeatedly revisits this aesthetic, especially during periods where culture becomes visually chaotic. Minimal elegance returns as reaction. Neutral tailoring, relaxed luxury, classic silhouettes, quiet refinement. The Ascot shirt survives because it represents timeless restraint. Not trend-driven identity, but stable identity, an aesthetic built around permanence rather than novelty. And perhaps that is why elegant menswear continues attracting fascination. Because beneath the fabric and tailoring, people are searching for control, composure, grace under pressure, the ability to appear calm within complexity. And in that pursuit, the Ascot shirt became more than formal clothing. It became visual discipline, wrapped softly around the human body.